Hi guys, good morning. Ito ngayon ang lugar namin, nag-snow. So before that, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Tiger Lily Granny's channel. So ito ngayon, ayan, nag-i-snow na oh, look. So we have, I don't know kung ilan ng, siguro mga 1 inches pa lang kami ngayon. Ito yung lugar namin ngayon dito. Ito yung yan oh. So pwede na akong gumawa ng dito, snowman. Kasi ang hirap kasi wala kasi akong mapapatungan. So dyan ipapatong ko muna para makita nyo. At ayan. So yun dito. At saka ito yung snow dito. Pwede mong gawing mag-snowman ka or gumawa ng balls. Yun. So, pero kasi simula lang, tika. Baka mabasag itong ano ko. Nilipad kasi sa hangin eh. Nilipad sa hangin. So, ililigpit ko muna tong ano ko. Katamaan. So, yan. Ito yung ano namin. Yun. Ito yung likuran ng bahay namin. Yan. Ito. Look. Ito yung nakalimutan ko kung anong halaman to. Bulaklak. Yung bulaklak ko. So yan. Ito yung bahay ng ano namin, ng mga ibon dito na nilalagyan din namin ng pagkain. Ito yung inuman nila. Yan. Pero na-snow na. Inuman ng ibon. So ito na. Medyo makapal-kapal na ngayon. At saka ito yung sasakyan ko na papunta sa trabaho. Yan. Malalim na talaga oh. Yun. Siguro mga nasa 4 inches pa lang. Yun. Oh, I did not bring my bag. Yeah. Do you have a key? I want to borrow the key. My purse.
Oh, you.
Okay. Yeah. And also my food for lunch. Papasok na kami. Hindi ko kasi alam kung anong oras na eh. So hala, hindi to tama ang saan kaya dito? Yan, ito pala. So nandito ako sa bahay. Kunin ko muna yung bag ko at sa yung baon ko. Ito yung baon ko sa pananghalian. Yan. Pero isa lang. Dala lang ako ng isa. Ano pa ba ang baonin ko? Tama na to. Wala mo ng ulam ngayon kasi walang pambili ng ulam. Hala. Teka. Yung bag ko pala. Aalis na sana ako. Ayan. Teka. Yan. Kukunin ko muna itong ano ko. Ay, talaga. Yun. Oh, hindi ko alam kung paano ko ilalak to. Kailangan ko pang hawakan. Okay, tama na yun ah. Pwede na. So, papasok na tayo. Papasok na ako. Hindi mo na ako ang mag-drive ngayon kasi sobrang snow, baka ma-aksidente ako. Kasi hindi ko alam kung ano. So,
I got the snow off your seat.
oh yeah?
How'd you do that?
I don't know. I opened the door and smash the door. So cold. Nag YouTube ako so ito yung ano. Okay. So let's go. Yeah. Oh, I forgot my seatbelt. Wait first. Hinihingal ako. So hindi ako mag
2 inches of snow already.
2 inches. Yeah, I know. I think it's almost 3.
2 or 3, huh?
Yeah. So, hindi muna ako mag-drive dahil nga baka madulas at madudulas ako.
You go over this way,
Uh-huh.
and over this way.
Yes.
Nice and level right here.
Mm-hmm. Okay. No, it's clear here. So, yun. Papunta na ako sa trabaho ko ngayon. Ang oras dito ay alas 8:05. Medyo malayo-layo rin. Lalo na ngayon, mabagal ang takbo dahil,
You see
tingnan
how
mo yung
fast the highway department gets out?
Oh, yeah. So, you didn't have any call last night?
No.
Okay.
Imagine I'm going to have some now because this snow came kind of all of a sudden.
Uh-huh. So, yun na. Oh, ngayon. Yeah, it's clear here.
That's how good snow tires are.
Mm-hmm. You changed already the tire?
I put them on a long time ago.
Okay. So, that this is
6
not...
months ago or more.
Oh, yeah?
Summer, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Put 4 new tires on all the way around, winter tires.
Okay. So, yan.
There'll be some accidents.
Ito dito, tingnan mo. Ha? I want to open a little. I want to open a little bit, then it's clear, you know.
Snow in your face.
Yeah, I know. But my camera is look like... Wow. Nobody plowed today? Nobody...
Well, it takes a while to get going.
Yeah, because I saw on the road, it's...
They come-
yeah, okay.
The state might have been through yet. I'm not sure. It takes a while for them to get ready to go when they've got to go.
Mm-hmm. So, I make a video for my YouTube channel. Say hi.
Hi, how are you? Nobody there but me.
Yeah. So, ako ang taga-Maniho ngayon dahil nga baka ma-slide ako. So, yun. Dito tingnan mo. Pero hindi pa gaano makapal yan. Siguro mga
After the first snowstorm, they get used to the weather.
Yeah, this is the first storm.
After the first snow we've had snow before, so they're used
Yeah.
to it by now, most of them.
Mm-hmm. But the snow is not much, you know. Not like last year. That's last year is a little bit heavy, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, so look. ito pa lang ang nag-start dito ng winter. Magkatapusan na ng January. So, mo na ni karon diri nag-snow na diri sa among lugar. Mo na ni sa among lugar. So mga kababayan, ganito ang buhay dito sa mga nagtatrabaho sa ibang bansa. Hindi ganun kadali, mahirap din para lang magkapira. Minsan wala pang ulam. Ang ulam ko ngayon ay tuyo. Pero pananghalian wala akong ulam. Nagbaon na lang ako ng saging kasi walang maluto o walang magluluto. Parang gano'n na rin, walang magluluto. So yun. So how is your doctor appointment yesterday, the hearing aid? How about what the doctor said? The hearing aid.
I gotta get a little I get a little wax in my right ear. That's all.
So they clean it?
They took some out, yeah.
Oh good, that's good.
And they
Yeah.
clean my ears.
How many months before they want to clean your air?
I think I gotta go July or June, something.
Wow, why so long? Every 6 months?
No, not quite.
Oh. Be careful.
There's a snowplow right
Careful,
there.
yeah.
Coming out our place.
So, is this not slippery if the road like this?
Not what?
It's not
Oh,
slippery, yeah.
The slippery changing lanes. We haven't plowed it yet.
Oh yeah.
Snow is built up on the road.
Yeah, not yet plowed, yeah, I know. What's going on? Why there is a light over there? Oh my gosh, it's a traffic.
Something going on.
Yeah. What's that? Oh. What is this?
Food truck is here.
Oh yeah.
Police department.
That's Maury. Oh yeah.
Somebody went out to the telephone pole.
Oh my gosh. Maybe did you hear your phone number? Maybe when they call you, you talk to somebody.
No, I was I was talking to Gary, but I got the phone a long time ago.
Oh, okay. You need to put your what you call that? Bluetooth. You need the Bluetooth, you know. Did you check your Bluetooth on?
It's on,
Yeah, I want to see. Give me your phone number. Give me your
my
phone.
phone's in my pocket.
Oh my. Okay, check before you leave. Okay?
It's on. I checked it earlier.
So how about the phone?
Phone's on.
Okay, but check again.
The volume is up.
Okay. I'm thinking the snow only tomorrow, not today.
Well, it changes from time to time, you know.
Yeah, because last night I see the weather, but the weather didn't see anything, you know. That's why I told you that you can park the car there in the... But it's no problem if like snowing, not like frozen before it's frozen, you know.
It's still
very
slippery right now, though, because of the slush.
slush, yeah, okay.
There's a little bit of a salt residue on the road anyway. Then when snow hits it, it turns to slush.
Oh
And
yeah.
then they come out and they take the snow plows and plow the snow away. put salt down at the same time.
Oh yeah. So this is what happened. Look at the trees. The trees is look like a Christmas tree already. It's still like, oh, look at the tree over there. Oh, tingnan nyo yung kahoy. Oh, parang namumuti siya na parang Christmas tree na rin. Parang Pasko pa rin.
Got so many relatives who want to come to America, don't you?
Yeah, there's so many who want to come here, but only, you know, it's very hard. Not easy. If you have a lot of money in the bank, yeah, you can come here immediately. But if you don't have any cent in the bank,
Need a sponsor.
yeah, even there is a sponsor, honey, it's still not easy.
Well, there's another truck.
Because the embassy needs to find a financial, you know, maybe you have 1 million pesos in the bank, so you can come here.
That easy?
Yeah, but if you don't have 1 million, is cost like $20,000.
Is it?
Yeah, but just like that, not easy, you know. Oh, there's a car come out here.
So what have I got to do?
Oh, they plow. So nandito na ako malapit sa aking trabaho. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm still early. Nobody. The other car, honey, is belong to the office. You know, the law office, attorney at law. Maybe Ronald watch that one. The car belongs to this.
Well, he does some plowing and we'll pull in there.
Yeah. So we can park over here.
Well, I'm going to sit here now for now.
Yeah.
You think we're not the front door as well as the back door?
No, it's still closed because look at the people who opened the door. It's not
Yeah.
yet here. So I feel like frozen outside. I don't know who plowed this area, you know. Look at that one.
It goes on
So
over there.
look at the tree. I want to open the door and you can see the. Look at the tree. Look at the tree. I want to see the like little bit. Yeah, look. It's beautiful. It looks so beautiful. Look.
You see where he is.
Uh-huh.
When he comes back out to the side, I'm having to
Yeah.
plug in.
Look at the tree. Look at the plants.
So
Look.
tall back there.
Yeah, they need to back up, you know. So, and I cannot go out too.
When he goes around, I'll follow him out around and drop you off.
Yeah, that's right.
I mean,
You see at the back there is a car. No, not yet. Here. When you here in the mirror.
I can't see out the window. I see
Oh,
this
yeah.
guy here. There's
Okay.
nobody behind me.
Okay. It's still early actually, but 16. It's already 8:16, so it means they are here already.
He's better go out. When he comes out around, I'll
Yes, I want to show them, you know. That is, ito yung ano, diyan ako nagtatrabaho. So, ito yung lugar dito, oh, tingnan mo, oh. Tingnan mo. Ito naman ang opisina ng law office. Law office. So, yun naman ang gasoline station doon. Oh yeah, look, who's that? Yeah, maybe they are they clean, you know. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's parking there, you know.
He's bringing somebody to work.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know where they want to bring the. I don't know where they want to bring the snow. So, paano mag-parking? I don't know where the park. My office mate, I don't know where they want to park their car. So, like now, if Rib did not come here, so, oh my gosh, nobody open, you know, for me. Yeah, this guy, I don't know them. They are not a worker here, but maybe they are worker in the properties there. Oh, they want to put salt, you know. Oh my God, I want to close. Because
One is back
isasarado ko na kasi pumapasok na yung snow sa sasakyan. So maybe you can park over there, honey. Okay. So the office they're closed, look. So maybe you can park over here. Park first over here, honey.
there. Yeah, I'll park here and let you off, right?
But I cannot, yeah. Park over here first. Because I cannot go inside. Yeah, nobody open for me. The office is still closed. Yan ang ano, yung lugar na yan ang kulungan dito, yan ang jail. Yan oh. Yeah, Cortland County Jail. Hi!
Stay here.
See, I know him. His name is Justin. He is the maintenance of the property in.
He's got one of his trucks. One of
Yeah.
the boss's trucks.
I know him. He's Justin, but oh yeah.
Somebody came in that driveway.
Oh yes. This one. Oh, he go round because he knows or she knows that it's still little bit. Oh, yan ang kulungan. Ayan, Cortland County Jail. Nakita nyo yan? Yan ang kulungan dito. Siguro maraming nakakulong dyan. Malapit lang ako pala sa kulungan. So is there any many people there inside the jail?
Oh, I don't know.
Is that a jail, right?
It's hard to jail, yeah.
Oh yeah.
They built it many years ago.
Mm-hmm. So is that a stone or just only a wooden? And they can break it.
It's steel.
Still?
I mean, it's stone.
Oh yeah. Because it's very hard, you know, to make like a house. They are very easy to spoil, you know, if the jail is house only. Hmm. Oh, yeah, look at the snow. Tingnan nyo yung snow dito, oh. Oh, ang laki ng ano, laglag talaga, malalaglag. Parang minsan malakas ang ulan, pero ngayon snow ang malakas. So, yun. Okay. Okay, guys.
Nobody's here to let you in.
Panoorin nyo yung aking snow
There's one
video.
car parked out front.
Ha?
There's a car parked out in the parking lot.
What is the color?
Gray.
Oh, yeah. Look at